When is this discovered?
It was discovered around 3000 BC in ancient Egypt.
How is this discovered?
Farmers noticed that grain stored in ground stayed fresh for more time, so they built silos to make their food fresh for more time.
Why is this discovered?
It was discovered to save food for hard times when crop didn't grow.
What is this?
Stone mill, a primitive tool for grinding grains into flour.
When is this discovered?
This is a Neolithic era discovered in around 10,000 years ago.
How is this discovered?
Early humans used stone to get flour, developed into a rotating stone tool.
Why is this discovered?
This is discovered to grinding grains into flour.
What is this?
This is a dustpan which is usually used with a pair of broom.
When is this discovered?
This was discovered around 8000 to 9000 years ago by the ancient Asia.
How is this discovered?
This is discovered when archaeologists found carvings of ancient people using the tool called dustpan.
Why is this discovered?
This was discovered for people to clean and remove dirt from their house and debris.
What is that tool used to aim with arrow?
It's called, the tool is called a bow and arrow. It is a traditional weapon and Asian tool used for hunting animals. It was often associated with figures like Lord Ram and Lord Arjun.
When is this discovered?
It was discovered around 10,000 to 20,000 years ago, and the period in which this was discovered, it is called Paleolithic period, Upper Paleolithic period.
How is this discovered?
It was discovered mainly by wooden and a stone.
Why is this discovered?
It was discovered so the Asian people can hunt animals with safely. Thank you everyone. I hope this act made you understand the importance of Asian tools. Thank you.